Hey guys, happy Friday. This is Maria, and I wanted to jump on here and do a Friday fun fact by way of video. And so you might not think this is really the most fun thing to talk about, but because I do bookkeeping and help people with their finances, this is considered fun, okay? So what I want to talk with you guys about is probably one of the most important things that you can do, whether you're thinking of starting a new business or you've just established a business, or even if you've been in business for some time, is you have to establish how you're going to track your finances, right? So some people out there just simply keep a bunch of receipts in a shoebox. Other people might have an Excel spreadsheet and they update their Excel spreadsheet and they look at, how much money that they've made each month and all of that. But what I'm going to advise that you do is to sign up for an account with QuickBooks Online. So in the world of accounting software, there are a lot of them available. But QuickBooks, particularly QuickBooks Online, is really the market. They have the market share, okay? So there's more small businesses that run QuickBooks than any other software out there. And that is the one in my business that I work exclusively with. So most of my clients are QuickBooks Online clients, and there are a few clients that use the QuickBooks Desktop version, which still allows me to help them. It's just because it's installed on their actual computer and it's not web-based, it makes it a little bit more challenging for me to get reports and things like that. But I want to talk with you about a little about why it's important for you to use a product like QuickBooks Online, and also just what I like about QuickBooks Online. You want to use an accounting software because even though it sounds like just something else for you to do right now, it is going to save you hours and hours and hours of time. It's also going to help if you have a bookkeeper or you have an accountant or you have a tax professional that's helping you to do your taxes and figure out all of your numbers at the end of the year. It is going to save them a lot of time, which means that you won't have to pay them as much to do the work that you're asking them to do. So everything is in QuickBooks, then it's very simple to do the activities that they need to do. So here's a couple examples. Let's say that today you want to go out and you have a business lunch with a potential customer. So you want to save that receipt, right? You want to save it because it's a business expense. So certainly save your receipt. But if you have QuickBooks, they have a mobile app. You simply hover over the receipt and it immediately, automatically captures the picture for you. And it's going to record that transaction basically in your QuickBooks so that when you log in and you start doing your bookkeeping for that month, you're going to already see that that expense was captured, okay, as a receipt. So that helps you because what if you lose the receipt? What if you put it somewhere? What if you leave it at the restaurant? At least you have a record of it. So that's one example. Another one is having an accounting software like QuickBooks Online really helps you at the end of the week, end of the month, end of the year to really see how you're doing, right? Because that's the reason you're in business, is to make money. And it's going to give you a reflection of where the money came from and also where all the money went out. And there's a lot more power, a lot more things I could go into with QuickBooks Online. But for Friday's fun fact, I just wanted to leave you with, it's important that you set yourself up with some type of small business accounting software. And the one that I use with almost all of my clients is QuickBooks Online. It's easy to use, simple to use, and really saves you so much time. So if you have any questions on, I don't know how to set up QuickBooks Online, or I don't know which version is right for me and my business, or even if you don't want to do it yourself and you want to talk with me, I do that. I help businesses get their QuickBooks set up. I can help you with the version that you need to select, and I can even give you some basic training on how to use the software itself. And so definitely reach out to me if that sounds like something you're interested in. But again, make sure you're using something, and it's really better to use QuickBooks than it is an Excel spreadsheet, I promise, because it's just got a lot of the smarts already built in there to help you So anyway, you guys have an awesome weekend. I'm so glad that you're all on this page and we are growing. And so it's so exciting to just get to meet all of you guys online and chat with you. Several of you have had some questions. And so I'm just glad that you're here, and have a great weekend. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.